Hi everybody, I am Mara and thank you for joining me today at my channel Mara Space. Please, before we go any further, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Our topic today is a seasonal topic. It's DV lottery topic. For anyone who is interested in immigrating to the United States, is very familiar with DV lottery program. So what are we going to cover in our video today? We will focus in 4 main points with the DV lottery program. First of it is to get to know the DV lottery. What, when, where, and how. Second, it will be what do you do to increase your chance of winning the DV lottery and also of getting your visa if you are selected. Third point will be the mistakes that mostly many people do make while submitting their entry, and which lead them to disqualifying before the draw or even at the interview, if at the visa interview, if they are selected. The fourth point will be we will discuss of some common issues that happen with the DV lottery website itself. So let's get started and back to our first point. What, when, where, and how. What is the DV lottery? DV lottery is an American program that gives chance to about 55 people around the world to countries with low immigration rate in the United States to immigrate legally. So this is what the DV lottery is. Second, when does it happen? The entry submission year, it's a yearly program that happens between October or November. Usually first week of November it starts and ends at first week of November. Where to apply? There is only one way to apply for the DV lottery, and it's online through the website of Department of the State of America, which is the website is dvprogram.state.com. That's the only way and the only website that you can apply, that you can submit your entry. How to apply, how to submit your entry? It's through the website, and there are few quick steps that you submit your information through it. I am going to leave a tutorial video in the description so that you can watch it. It's a very brief and quick video that you can see step by step how you can submit successfully your entry. Our second point is increase your chance of winning the DV lottery, and also increase your chance to receiving or guaranteeing your visa when you are selected at your visa interview. I will just focus on few steps that will help you increase your chance of winning the DV lottery. First is apply only through the official website of DV program. Secondly, be honest. Be very honest and write the truth information about you and your family, if you are married, about your spouse and your children. Third, if you are married, you can apply for both of you separately. A husband can apply for himself and include his wife as his derivative and kids if they have any, and then a wife can apply for herself separately and include her husband and children as the derivatives. Do it yourself. This is a very important point, that you apply for yourself, or if you have any issues with the website or with English, you have to ask help from a trusted friend that is not going to create you problem after you are selected, and for example ask you big amount of money in order to reduce your case number when you are selected. Fifth, use a recent photo. use a new recent photo that is not more than 6 months old. This is the rules with the website. So be honest, apply only from the website. You can submit for you and your spouse if you are married. Use a recent photo and do it yourself. That's at least some quick points that will help you increase your chance. Third point we said are the mistakes that most people make, sometimes even in good faith, and that lead them to being disqualified while the drawing is happening, or even when they apply for when they are selected and they get disqualified at the interview after following all the process and spending big amount of money. One of these critical mistakes is about not including your kids. The instruction says include all your living children, natural children or stepchildren from your previous spouse or girlfriend or whatever. You have to include every child you have for you or from your wife or your husband. If you have children before marriage, you must include them. If you are married and your spouse has kids before you, even if those kids are not living with you, you must include them, their information and their photos. Every living child, stepchild, legally adopted, natural child under year of 21 must be included in your DV lottery. By failing to register them, there is a great chance of you being disqualified even if you are selected. Second is country of eligibility. What do they mean by country of eligibility? Is the country that you are born in. It doesn't matter with the country that you hold the nationality to. If you are, for example, from Niger, but you hold an Australian passport, you must choose Niger as your country of eligibility. It is about where you were born, not where you live or or which nationality you hold. Third is education. The instruction also said that at least you need a high school education, high school diploma, or 2 years work experience to be qualified. So even you submit your entry and you win and you are selected, you will be disqualified at the interview if you don't meet this criteria. Fourth is a duplicate entry. Submit your entry only once. Duplicating your entry will totally guaranteed disqualifying you from receiving a visa at the interview. They have their system to know that if you duplicate an entry, so even if you pass through, they are going to disqualify you at the interview. Now, those are the mistakes, the common mistakes that mostly people make. And another one, additional to the mistakes, is the marital status. If you are married, include your spouse. It's that easy. You don't need to go anywhere. If you are married, just include your spouse. If you are not married, if you are like engaged but you are willing to get married, do not say you are married because you are not married yet. So those are the mistakes that I needed to highlight. Finally, we will talk about the troubleshoot. Sometimes while entering while submitting your entry, the website collapses. Mostly it happens after you file your first page and move into to another page. Usually that happens because of too many internet traffic. So choose the best time that has less people using internet in your country, usually very early morning or late at night. Use updated website. I recommend Google Chrome or Internet Edge, the new updated website that are going to work perfectly well with it. Make sure always, because sometimes people take time while typing their information, so try to type your information quickly so the internet traffic doesn't cut you from it. That's all for today. I am going to leave a link of the tutorial step by step from start to the end on how can you apply for your DV Lottery 2024. Good luck for all the applicants soon to be selected, and inshallah this year is our year, inshallah, for all. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share the video if you find it informative, share it with your friends, and invite them to join my channel. Thank you.